with Liberty Aid Academy. Remember back when it was June? This is a article from Newsweek at June 16th, and the Treasury Secretary comes on and says, "I'm going to raise interest rates," and then you know, here come the crash, right? And so it's gotten to be that everyone knows we're in the middle of a recession right now. And you could look here right on KPMG. KPMG is one of the largest. Whoops, one of the largest accounting firms. One of Earth's largest accounting firms. There are only a few super huge accounting firms, but they're the ones that do all the financial reports for the public businesses on the stock exchange and so on, the big ones. And so they are extremely liable for what they have to say. Okay, anything that they say, they can be held liable. They get sued all the time. That's a major problem in their business. So, but if you look on their website, on their homepage, or whatever, you look up the crash, and the number one in Google that pops up is KPMG saying making the most of the downturn. So here we are in September, and yeah, the downturn is everybody knows it's happening, right? It's happening. Real estate prices are tanking. Your stocks are going down. All assets of every class are going down. They're squeezing, the money. So, what's the only thing that can happen here, right? What's the only thing that can happen? Two things can happen. Only two things. Either they give out helicopter money and put off the crash longer. That's possible. They did that before. Or there's going to be a major, major crash, right? Those are the only choices we have. We don't have other choices, do we? No. And so, what does that tell us to do at this point? Well, it tells us to do the same thing we should all always been doing before, the last problem, whatever you want to call it, the whole pandemic thing that created financial havoc for everyone. I told my clients, hey, listen, you got to plan for this. You got to set up your credit profile. You got to open a trust, set up a credit profile for it so you get the EIDL and PPP money. And all the clients that did what I said, they got the money. And so you got to set up your trust so you can operate tax free and get everything free from the government that the government has. Own nothing, control everything. Okay? You're a strawman, you're a corporate fiction person, doesn't hold any money anymore, holds it in the trust. I don't have anything. Sorry. So you're judgment proof. This is all legal. I'm an accountant. I got an MBA. I also have a master's in accounting and 40 years experience. I also have 1,000 videos on YouTube proving all of this, my outcomes and the outcomes of all of our students. Everyone, literally everyone, is successful at our school using our methods. Everyone's successful. It's completely legal, and it's easy to do. We made it easy. Okay, so what is Liberty Aid Academy? It's a school that teaches our students to radically improve their lifestyle with legal, easy to use financial methods not widely known but proven by testimonials to work for all of our students. Our courses all use copyrighted, unique material only used at our school. All our students' testimonials have a notarized affidavit proving their outcomes, and testimonials are 100% real by real people just like you. So we get in our school. Sorry, I'm kind of in a bigger screen here. But when you get in our school, these are our courses. You get the trust first. You open up the trust. Great. All your money's safe. Hooray. Whew. Then you can go in and get the rest of our information, which is now bundled together. And this is what your student portal looks like once you get the courses. And let me just get myself out of the way. There we go. And so your courses that you get are there on the right, and we have FAQ that gets you oriented as a new student. The community forum over there is called the Classroom now, and it is an online private forum that I monitor. You can ask any questions, post links, whatever in there. All your questions get answered, and there are a bunch of the students in there and their successes. It's wonderful. So what is this? Own nothing, control everything. How is this a solution for the economic crash that they're planning? Well, so you build your credit profile for your trust. It's not yours, right? It's not your money. You're a trustee, but you got the debit card. You can do anything with it, right? And so it's amazing. So you have two businesses now, right? You have your trust, right? It's non-reporting, tax-free. Don't pay any taxes. Don't report. Fantastic. Works 100% of the time for everyone. Been doing this for years. Go look at the proof. No problem whatsoever. And so you hold nothing in your person. That straw man, that corporate fiction, you, they like to call it. Hey, you. I'm not a piece of plastic. That's a driver's license. That's not me. People run corporations, but they're not corporations. Own nothing, control everything. Now, Vice President Nelson Rockefeller said that, but the full quote was the secret to success is to own nothing and control everything. The Rockefellers use trust. They own nothing. It's in the trust, of course, are the ones with control of the money, and then they can do anything they want with it. It's a financial trick for the elite that I am teaching you and everyone at this school completely legal. I bank at Chase credit cards. Go look at the proof on our testimonials. It's great. So now, see, you're setting up for the crash, right? Oh, I don't have anything. I'm homeless, whatever. Your corporate fiction, it is homeless. That thing doesn't have any assets anymore. You close this bank account, right? That it has a great credit profile. Keep your credit for your person, but don't have any bills in this name. Don't have any revenue streams in this name. Nothing. So literally, they want to call you know, that strong man you, so that's fine. You're homeless, and I have nothing, and so on. So you qualify for all the government programs, and I teach you how to get all the money. Yeah, it's all bundled together in our courses. You get it as one big package. I teach you how to get all the free money from the government. There's SSI and SSG. That's now running at 851 a month, right? Hey, SSG. My back hurts because you were treating me like a slave of the bankers, right? The bank never signs a document, so banking is legalized slavery that the government enforces. So you got a bad back from doing that. That's not a lie. That's true. That's 100% true. $851 a month. SSI, you're making me insane. I for insane, right? You're making me crazy. I got PTSD for you treating me like a slave of the bankers. Where's my money? That's legal. That's completely legal. Teach you how to do it. EBT food stamps, that's $250 a month, $3,000 a year. That's $1,000 more than all of our courses. You get paid back so quickly with this. The government has free cell phone service. I love it. It's great. My cell phone, I have it. I use it on my iPhone. I don't know if you can see it, if it's going to show, but it's just, whoop. It just has this thing that, sorry, it turned off. It has this thing that rolls across the screen. Q-Link Wireless, no bill, no paying of anything. Unlimited data, unlimited text, unlimited talk. It works perfectly on your existing phone, or they have free phones in the government. Your existing phone number, or you get a new phone number. Either way. Yeah, they got discounted internet or free internet. And then there are state and county programs that have things like free electricity and other things. That's like local stuff you got to look into. Free health insurance. I teach you how to get that. Free housing. There are a couple of ways to do that. I teach how to get free housing. Free college or graduate school. Don't have to pay a penny back. I teach everyone how to do that. Anyone could be a doctor or a lawyer and get a license, and you don't have to pay the bills to do it. They pay you. And they don't just pay tuition, they pay also living expenses. That's right. For free. Do that for free. Doesn't affect you negatively or your credit report in any way. Yeah. And better credit. So that's what we teach at the school here. And, you get all these other exemptions with it. You get, I put myself out of the picture there a little bit. Uh, no IRS taxes, no IRS filing that comes immediately. It's not by application. As soon as you open up your trust, you never pay the IRS, never report. That's for any business, any personal. Those distinctions go away as long as money runs through that bank account, that trust account. You don't report to the IRS. You don't pay the IRS. And you use your money for whatever you want to use it for. You could apply for state taxes. I prove that I have gotten the state tax exemption. I prove all these things that I've gotten and clients have gotten. On a YouTube channel, post it. Yeah, that's right. No personal taxes. Your person doesn't have anything anymore, so no more personal taxes. You can have a trust own your property, any real estate, and then you can qualify for no property taxes. I teach how to do that. No sales taxes. You could apply for that. No jab in the arm. I teach how to do that. No jail or detainment works 100% of the time when you sign this trust. I teach how to do that. No crypto taxes. I 100% teach how to do that. No inheritance taxes for anyone. Okay, that's it. This is, yeah, I mean, all that information comes with all of our courses bundled together. Okay, you get over a 60% savings. Yeah, you can just get the trust and that's fine. Open up the trust, but the rest of the information teaches you how to use that trust. Okay, so get all the courses bundled together. It's only $19.97. You can make 4 payments when you check out if you want. Go check out the testimonials. This 100% works for everyone. Get paid back like immediately. Go check out our testimonials. Our testimonials all have a notarized affidavit with them. These are real people, okay? These are quotes lifted from the video testimonial. Go watch. Dee Dee says, "You saved my life. Even though it doesn't look like much has changed, everything has changed, right? You're not reporting the IRS, you're not paying, you have a debit card. Your life looks the same to everyone else, but you're not paying taxes, so you're getting all this money from the government." Greg says, "Liberty Aid Academy's support has been vital in the creation of this trust. Any questions and concerns they answered. The whole community has been a big support. The proverbial weight or fear has been lifted and will be continued with all of John's work." Great. All of this work is my copyrighted work. I'm a financial expert and an author. And so, if you have any further questions, if you want to, just jump to the website, email us. This works for 100% of the people that do this, okay? 100% of the people. There's no special thing. You just have to be in the USA. Works where you're currently banking. It works for everyone. This, I get accused of gaming the system, but isn't that what an accountant is supposed to do? Is tell you how to, lower your taxes. I lower them to zero. And, how do I get money from the government and not pay them? Isn't that what an accountant's supposed to do? Well, I teach you how to do it. Okay. We're waiting to help you. Liberty Aid Academy. You got to start. You're not gonna be happier than after you start to live your life this way. Okay, so get happy. We're here to help you.